Hello guys, this is Fahim from Otaku Among Gamers and I'm back. But today I'm gonna do a review, and this is Oculus Quest 2 from Facebook. This is the $399 variant. That means this has 256 GB ROM, and that I needed to get all the games. So let's continue. As you can see, some of the games that I'm planning to take is already on the back. One is Beat Saber and the other is Population 1. So let's get into the unboxing. I'll take it out from here. And it's a pretty good box. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this for so long. So that's the Oculus logo there, and okay, is that a sticker? Okay, no, it is not. Type C to Type C connection for the Oculus Quest headset to charge it. Okay, the controllers are pretty good. My god, these are good. The feel is pretty good, they are sturdy, nice, and that's where my index finger lies, and that's where the middle finger goes. And let's feel both of them. Okay. Now let's get into the headset, and okay, there is something written about the IPD adjustment. I'll come to that. So I'll take this out first. One second thought, I'll just look into the other things in the box first. Okay, this is the lens adjuster, means in the sense that if you're wearing some kind of spectacles, then you can put it in between, yes, and then it will work. So there are 4 cameras on the Oculus Quest 2, as you can see, yes, and that helps the Oculus Quest to understand your location, as well as make sure that you don't fall or trip over something, and also to set up the guardian systems. And the fabric used in the head strap is nice, but let's see how practical it is. Okay, the camera went out of focus, sorry there. And I'll take out this right now. That's done. So okay, the lenses should not be open to sunlight. Okay, and no liquid. Okay, liquid cleaners. Okay, so for the sunlight, I think it's because the lenses act as a magnifier, thus magnifying the sunlight, and that can burn the LCD display inside the headset. And I'll take this off as well from the headset. Okay, okay, it's a little darker than I expected now. The feel of the headset is pretty good. Okay, the volume adjuster. And yes, that's the power button, and That's it. That's the Oculus Quest 2. That's the controllers. The for the lens adjustment, etc. The manuals, and that's it. And the charger as well. That's everything that comes in the pack. You can even get the Elite strap, that would be better. Do like my video. I'll be putting up a card up there so that you can get more good content. Please do subscribe as well, and please do hit the bell. Bye.